Well, here we are, day one in Nassau, Bahamas. Today, we're planning on doing a whole lot of nothing and hanging out at the beach.
Wow! Gorgeous, eh? What'd you find now? Another shell? Let's see. Ooh, so pretty! Where you going? Open the bag?
It's like a trumpeter fish or something. There's another one. There's four.
Look, a lot of fish still in the water. Oh, it's so cool. No!
Hey, what are you doing? Are you trying to get me? Uh-oh. It's a sea creature. Ah! Ah! Run in! What a nice jump! Awesome, buddy! Big fish, Mom! Look at these guys, are all different colors! Thanks so much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, like, and if you want to watch some more of these videos, subscribe. We got lots more content coming your way.